Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best synthetic 12-piece makeup brush set you can find on the market, the EmaxDesign 12 Pieces Makeup Brush Set. Whether you're a beginner just starting your beauty journey or a seasoned makeup artist looking for affordable, professional tools, this set could be exactly what you need. Let's start with what makes this set so special. First, each brush in this kit is handmade using premium synthetic fiber, giving you an incredibly soft, luxurious feel while applying your makeup. The bristles are gentle on your skin and perfect for sensitive types. They're crafted to be durable and, more importantly, shed-resistant, which means you won't be pulling bristles off your face every time you blend or buff. Now let's talk about what's included. You get 12 brushes, and they cover all the essentials, from foundation and powder to blush, concealer, and eyeshadow. There's even an eyelash brush, so you can get every little detail of your makeup look just right. Whether you're applying liquid, cream, or powder products, this set is designed to handle them all beautifully. That makes it versatile for both face and eye makeup. The design is another standout. These brushes come with eco-friendly bamboo handles. They're not only sustainable but also look gorgeous on your vanity. The bamboo gives a natural, clean aesthetic while being lightweight and easy to handle. These brushes feel balanced in the hand, so you get more control when applying your makeup. What's more, the set comes with a handy carrying bag, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. The brushes fit neatly into the pouch, so you can stay organized whether you're heading out for a day trip or packing for a longer vacation. It also makes a great gift option thanks to the sleek packaging and professional quality. One of the most impressive parts of this set is that it was handcrafted by a professional makeup artist. That attention to detail is evident in how each brush performs. From blending to defining, these brushes let you create flawless finishes without streaking or patchiness. You can really tell that this isn't just a mass-produced set, it's made with care. And even though it's packed with professional features, the EmaxDesign 12-piece set is incredibly beginner-friendly. The shapes and sizes of each brush are intuitive, so if you're new to makeup, you won't be overwhelmed trying to figure out what each one does. You can experiment and learn with confidence, knowing the tools will support your skills as they grow. In terms of quality and value, this set punches well above its price point. It's hard to find a synthetic brush set that performs this well across different product types and lasts this long. The synthetic fibers are cruelty-free and maintain their shape over time, even after multiple washes. So to wrap it up, the EmaxDesign 12 Pieces Makeup Brush Set gives you an all-in-one toolkit that's high-quality, eco-conscious, beginner-friendly, and travel-ready. Whether you're doing a 5-minute daily look or going full glam, these brushes have your back. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want more honest takes on top beauty products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.